How to download Facebook Reels using Cobalt.Tools. Hey everyone, welcome back to Comtech Geeks, where we bring you the best tips and tricks for your digital life. In today's video, I'll show you how to download Facebook Reels quickly and easily using a fantastic tool called Cobalt.Tools. Step 1. Open Facebook and find the reel. First things first, head over to Facebook and find the reel you want to download. You can do this on your desktop browser or mobile app. Once you've found the reel, click on the three dots or share icon and copy the link to the reel. Step 2. Visit Cobalt.Tools. Now open your browser and go to Cobalt.Tools. This is an amazing platform that lets you download content from Facebook, Instagram, and more in just a few clicks. Step 3. Paste the link. Once you're on the homepage, find the Facebook Reels downloader section. It's super easy to spot. Paste the reel link you copied earlier into the input box. Step 4. Click Download. After pasting the link, simply click the download button. The tool will process the link and generate a downloadable file for you. Step 5. Save the reel. Choose the video quality you prefer and click to download. Your reel will save directly to your device, ready to watch offline or share. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you can download any Facebook Reel using Cobalt.Tools. It's quick, free, and super convenient. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome tech tips. Got any questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.